policy number 2, elevator policy procedures. Now, it is a policy of Crispan suits that elevator trouble reports will be made to the contractor as soon as they occur. We have contractors, we have people who installed the elevator, and we are also working with them to provide routine maintenance and repairs of the elevator. Now, the purpose of this policy is to ensure that all elevators are fully operational at all times, to ensure that neither guests nor employees are inconvenienced. Now, the department heads, as well as the department heads, assistant manager should immediately call the maintenance extension and report the problem. Now, when there is a problem, they call your department first. Is that not so? They are not supposed to call the contractor. So once there is a problem, they call the maintenance units to report the problem first. Then once the complaint has been corrected, the person in charge, either the supervisor or the chief engineer, will inform the engineering order taker. Once the complaint has been corrected, you will have to inform the order taker that this has been corrected. All right? Now, the engineering order taker will inform the person who originated the complaint of the immediate status of that elevator, so that they are not stranded. They have already called to say that this is a problem we are experiencing. Is that not so? Then you have fixed the problem, but you don't tell them that you have fixed the problem. What happens? There is a hanging problem in their mind, and the guests can even ask them, can we use the lift? And they don't know what to say. Meanwhile, it has already been rectified. So you see why feedback is important. There is an order, there is a complaint that has already been raised, and the complaint has reached you, it has been fixed, you communicate back. So the engineering order taker will inform the person who originated the complaint of the immediate status of that elevator. So are we clear about that? So this is simply how to report a problem with the elevator. So there is a two-way communication. It shouldn't end at fixing the problem. They will now discover that it has been fixed. So let it be that the complaint is raised, your attention is called, it is fixed, then we communicate back that this situation has been taken care of.